So, we're going to open up a brand new Magnum 28 from MTMHydroparts.com. I just took this guy off the shelf, so I hope it has all the components. SGS 28, bag of fittings, and a couple other goodies that I'll show you. Your tube, your bottle, and your PF22 patented brass body. We've also got instructions. There are a lot of companies out there that provide foam cannons, and you'd be surprised at how unreadable the instructions are, along with how to actually put it together. So, to start out, welcome to the SGS 28. I know a lot of people have talked about this gun. It really is a nice piece of equipment, straight out of Italy. It was designed and manufactured there, shipped to us here in Minneapolis, and we bring it to you around the States. Live integrated swivel. You've got a plated brass outlet and body, and an easy pull trigger. This is the lightest holding force in the industry. It's at 1.2 pounds, which is lighter than anybody else out there. Your plated brass body, which we talked about last week. Your uptake tube for your bottle. And in here, we have all of the important steps to make sure that you can connect this to almost any machine out there. Teflon tape. Very important piece to any pressure washing accessory kit because you need this in order to eliminate any joint leaks or spraying. I'm going to show you how to assemble this really quick. But plug, coupler, this is a male because you can see the threads. Male plug, you can see the threads. Another male plug, this is 3/8, you can see the threads. This is the secret sauce of MTM Hydro foam cannons. Stainless steel nozzle and a stainless woven filter, or also called agitator. This is what makes our foam cannons better than anybody else's out there. We also have an M22 inlet fitting, just in case you need this with a variety of machines that are typically residential. One piece, I'm not going to assemble the entire thing, but one piece you should know. When you're putting on Teflon tape, you plumbers out there may already know this, or you neurotic guys that like to research on the internet constantly, holding in your left hand the coupler portion, you've got your threads facing you clockwise, going against the roll, so that you can tighten it against itself. In doing so, normally you want to do 5 or 6 wraps. I'm just going to do 2 or 3 to show you. Then, when you're tightening it onto your gun, it's going to tighten against itself. So, clockwise for Teflon tape. So you've got 2462 on the end, 2482, that's the inlet plug. This is your 1/4 male stainless plug to go into your foam cannon. Again, I would wrap Teflon tape all over these. This is BSP inlet. BSP is British Standard Pipe Thread. That is a straight thread. It has a different pitch than NPT. NPT, if you look really closely, is a tapered thread. And so when it meets, it hits a solid wall. So you're only going to get it another maybe half a turn on this. So you're not threading this all the way in. If you do thread it all the way in, you have probably stripped it. Don't do that. Finally, your tube, your bottle after it's filled with chemical, and ready to clean. Thank you again, everybody, and join us next week as we talk about your choice. Call us and let us know what you want to hear. Thank you.